I am the Vice President and General Manager of Midlite Construction Limited. Midlite was founded in 1989 by our President and CEO, Rocky Bucksaw. Moved to the Fort McMurray region in and around 1999, Fort Mac home. Since then, we've grown from about a dozen employees to 150 employees. Specializing in everything high voltage. We're power linemen by trade, and that's what we solely focus on, building and maintaining power line. I guess I would say it's been a bit of a conduit to industry leaders, local to the RMWB, giving us access and the introductions that we need, specifically Imperial Oil on the Curl Lake facility. It's opened some doors there for us for sure. We've been local to Fort McMurray, like I said, since 1999. Have since grown a bit of our portfolio into the Northwest Territories, Yukon, broadening across Alberta, and now into Saskatchewan. So, well, there's so many different aspects to Powerline and to what we do, but we specialize in the engineering, the procurement, the construction and maintenance of overhead power lines, both on the distribution and the transmission side. So the small wood poles you see along, Highway 63 as you're leaving town, right up to the large lattice towers. We specialize in building that. It's a rewarding trade. It's hot in the summer, it's cold in the winter, but we're always working in fairly remote locations, physically demanding work and rewarding. We get an opportunity to keep the lights on, if you will. Probably the biggest challenge is accessibility. They don't always build power lines in the most favorable soil conditions, so we've got a fairly large fleet of off-road equipment that allows us to easily access some of these remote areas to construct and maintain power line for a lot of the large oil companies as well as the local utilities. Personally, I was born and raised in Fort McMurray, so this is home for me. I spend a lot of time in the outdoors, hunting, fishing. We enjoy to play a lot of golf, and then again, we just spend time with the kids. The kids are a huge part of our lives, and I've got two daughters that were born and raised up here, so I spend a lot of time traveling with volleyball and youth sports, supporting them.